हाय गाइस, कैसे आप लोग। स्वागत है आपका इस वीडियो में। एंड आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ एक अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो जो कि होने वाली है एक्सॉर के फुल फेस हेलमेट की। सो दिस वीडियो इज़ माई फर्स्ट अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो। समबडी सजेस्टेड मी कि आई शुड मेक वीडियोज़ दैट द ऑडियंस वांट्स एंड दिस इज़ माई ट्राई टुवर्ड्स इट। सो somebody who looks up is going to find this video helpful because I'll be showing him what it looks through my camera, what it looks on my neck. I'll try my best to show you some of the footage that might help you choose this helmet. The weight management on this helmet is very good. It's 1600 grams, but it doesn't feel that heavy on your hands. I'm sure it won't feel heavy on your neck too. And it's just a matter of time it will get used to it. And this is a helmet, this is a color, it's jet black, and I've chosen this color because of its simplicity. And the small logo on top, it looks very minimal, it looks very subtle.
She said, baby, let's go to the moon. But I'm so tired, I just wanna chill in the back of the room. I said, put the body on me, let me set the mood. Baby, smoke that joint and vibe with me to the tunes. She see that jewelry drip on me, I know it turns her on. If we make it to the bed, we gon' continue to the morning.
So some of the things that I like about this helmet is that it comes with a anti-fog glass. So this is very helpful in the winters. And this helmet also comes with a pin lock system that is one of the safest mechanism in the world. It comes with this big spoiler that gives your helmet a very good look, and we'll use it later in this video. So we also get some stickers with this and a small spoiler to hide the holes on your helmet if you don't want to use a spoiler, the big one. So these are some safety stickers, reflective stickers, and let us put the spoiler onto the helmet.
She's so bad, she just wanna funk and smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one.
So this is the look that comes out.
I take it to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills.
And the helmet also comes with a nose guard, and the padding on this is really heavy. That makes it highly stable on high speeds. The helmet also has sufficient air vents at the top, at the front, and it also has 3 certifications, that is ECE, DOT and ISI. And this helmet also has a dual visor to offer, and I believe this is one of the most practical features that every helmet should have.
Fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I take it to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits.
That's all for the video, and with this I'll leave. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a clarity on this helmet. So that's it for the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.
Buddy, man, I'm so sick of all them people trying to take my money. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, yeah. I'm gone.